top leg up. Bring your bottom leg down and slide. You will likely have to straighten that leg.